In this video, I'll show you how to use Zelle with First Horizon Bank. So, Horizon or First Horizon offers Zelle directly through its personal digital banking and mobile app as well. So, you don't need to download the standalone Zelle app. Once both you and the recipient are enrolled, the money is typically delivered within minutes. So the first thing that you can do is basically you can go and log in whether on the website or on your application on inside your mobile phone. Just go and sign in into your account. Once you do so, if you're inside the application, you'll have to tap pay a bill, transfer money, or send money with Zelle. Then click on get started, accept the Zelle terms of service, and choose the account that you will use, and you will have to enter the recipient's information. If you don't have one already, you'll have to click on new one, enter their enrolled US mobile number or email address, and then enter the amount and review the details. And the same will be for the website as well. You'll basically have to log into your personal account, then select send money with Zelle on the dashboard, then select get started to review and accept the Zelle terms of service. Then you will have, of course, to enter the amount, or before entering the amount, you'll have to enter the recipient's information, then enter the amount that you're going to send, and review the details, then click on send. Only send money to people who you know and trust because payments usually can't be cancelled once they're sent. And of course, to receive money, you can share your enrolled US mobile number or email address with the sender, and if you already enrolled, the money is typically deposited into your First Horizon account within minutes. So that's how you use Zelle with First Horizon app or bank. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.